Hi guys, today I'm doing a quick test for the new K&F Concept 2 to 6 stop variable ND and the CPL Polarized filter 2-in-1. I think they announced it maybe a couple months ago. I'm using my A7 IV and the 35 1.4 G Master. The filter is a little bit thicker than your usual ND filter because it has one polarized, one ND. The thick one you turn to change the polarized. It's quite resistant. It's quite resistant. And the ND, you turn this knob. There's a little bit issue is that if you turn the ND slowly, it's fine. The CPL barrier will not move, but like you do it, if you turn it rapidly, the CPL barrier will move. In that case, that means when you turn your ND, your CPL also moves slightly. And if you continue doing this motion, eventually the CPL will change to a very different marking, different position. You see, the CPL is moving down the barrier if you're doing very fast turning over the ND. But if you turn it slowly, it's fine. So that's one thing to keep in mind. I'm hoping your copy will be perfect. So right now, this is at 1.4 ISO 800, S-Log3, shutter 150th, 24 frames per second. Right now, it's at the minimum 2-stop ND. Let's see 6-stop if it's enough for this very bright sunny day for f1.4. What's the exposure we can get? Okay. Yeah, it's still overexposed. If I turn in the zebra, you can see. If I push the shutter to one, yeah, like 1/60th. It's right now we get like a no overexposed. Let's go to f2. Still the zebra is blinking. Here f2.8. F2.8, you can get a good exposure, like plus 2 on the EV, and there's no highlight clipping. So if you use this filter with your like a f2.8 zoom, this filter get you covered. And now let's see how the polarized works. The vignetting at the right corner, right top corner, you can see. So it's really, if you are not set correctly, so I would turn the polarized to see if you get the vignetting first, then do the ND. Looking pretty good, everything else. Let's try on my 17 to 28 to see if it's less work on ultra wide. By the way, the ND filter do have hard stop. But again, you can see the CPL, the polarizer also moving. So you need to find a spot that is a little bit better. Now this position is better. So it's not really a perfectly engineered. You see, it's moving along with my turning of ND, the polarized. But at a specific spot, it does not move. So yeah, it has hard stop for the ND. Okay, right now you are looking at the timer on 17 to 28 at 17. Oh my God. I'm at the 6th stop, the maximum strength at the f2.8. The darkening edge is so strong. Let's see if it's the result of the polarized. So first we turn polarized. Okay. So you can see the polarized can get you a very dark edge. Do we still get vignetting on the edge? Right now I feel like the left top corner looks like it's dark. Let's panning. Yeah, definitely. The left top is dark. Let's try turn the polarize again. Okay, looks like we can still fine tuning. Looks fine. So even on 17 millimeter, it looks, yeah, it looks good. Let's try to turn to 20. Yeah. Okay, we have a window here. Let's see what the polarized can give us. Anything? I only see the sky get dark at a certain point. Okay, yeah. It does have its effect on the polarized and ND. One side there's the marking for ND, the other side is just the naming and the logo. So only this side you can see what ND stop you are at. And both sides has a knob, and it's a hard stop. And that's their new box, NANO-X Series. That's the older Nano series. The inside is still the same pouch. I also have the NANO-X new filter, the variable ND 1.5 to 10 stop. Because the Nano one is 1 to 9 stop. So the new one, the lowest is 1.5 stop, but the maximum is 10 stop. My next video will test that.